Class 7 Civics Chapter 2 Role of the Government in Health. We know that a healthy person is good. If any person he is not healthy, he is facing a lot of diseases or illness in his life, so he is just a patient, and when he is a patient, he is a burden for the country. So being a good citizen, we have to be healthy, and for being healthy it's important to learn about it. Okay, we know that in our country there are two different type of health services. One which known as public health services and the second known as private health services. In public health services is a chain of health centers and hospitals run by the government. We can see these public health services in rural areas as well as in urban areas. This is the area where government are providing health facility to each and every person. These all hospitals are running by the taxes which we pay to the government. So that tax which government they are getting, they are giving this all money, providing them in the health services for our country. And according to this public health services, it is much more cheaper comparatively the private health services. Here the amount is taken much more less in low cost, or it is not taken, where the government ensure that each and every different diseases which are spreading in our country, it should be stopped. For example, such as TB, malaria, cholera. So these are the examples which are spreading. So government always try to stop these all spreading diseases in our society, where government try to provide basic important medicines to each and every person. So where government try to help each and everyone, it might be rich or poor, that same basic health facility to everyone. When we are talking about Hakim Sheikh, I hope so you remember in the previous video we were doing discussion about Hakim Sheikh. He was from West Bengal, and while falling from the train he was injured, and after searching in so many hospitals he had not gotten admit in any government hospital. So finally he was admitted in private hospital where he have to pay a lot of money. So finally when he, after being healthy, when he went to the court to complain about this all what happened with him, so finally you know what the court had taken decision. The court had told state government to give him money that he had spent on his treatment. So this was the best part for Hakim Sheikh. Finally he got that much amount how much he spent in private hospital. When we are talking about the private health facilities, so we know that this private health facilities especially are working in urban areas. Some few you can see in rural areas, where the doctors are just doing this service for earning more money. If a single patient is admitted in any private hospital, it costs more than lakhs within 1 or 2 days. So it's much more costly if any poor people forcefully or much more in hurry, if they were admitted in these type of hospitals, in that case they have to borrow money from other person because they are poor and they don't have such a high amount to take charge or to give money to these private hospitals. There are many laboratories that do tests and offer special facilities such as X-ray, ultrasound, etc. There are also shops from where we buy medicines. So, as we discussed before that the public health services are directly controlled by the government, but here in private health services, it is not controlled by the government. Here a person or a family of person are controlling and they are opening a hospital, and just because of this it's just important part for them to just earn money. So if any patient is there, they want to admit in this hospital, for that they have to pay a lot of money for any services in that hospital. Today the presence of private facilities can be seen all around. In fact, now there are large companies that run hospitals, and some of are engaged in manufacturing and selling medicines. Medical shops are found in every corner of our country. Today when we'll talk about Indian people, so still we give more importance to the male. So if there is any female, she is ill, we don't consult to the doctor. We wait for some days. and the same way if any male child is being ill, the same moment we move towards the hospital. Another part when we will see to our country, like this private hospitals are increasing day by day, but this public hospitals are just in less amount. Next, some areas in tribal areas where still these facilities, private health facilities are not available. So still in our government, they have to do much more improvement for the healthcare of our country people. In that case, it is important to work on both in order to improve the health situation in our people. So we can see some examples of our country as like when we are talking about Kerala state, which is located in southernmost part of our country, where in the year of 1996, government took a great decision. So that Kerala state government, what they did for the improvement of their village areas, they took 40% of the entire state budget was given to the panchayat area, and where the panchayat took a great decision for the welfare of their village people. They did a lot of improvement in water, food and women's development and their education. So this was a great change in Kerala, where still this Kerala is improved far better than the other states. If we are taking another example of another country, as like in South America, a country is there that is Costa Rica, where the government took a great decision. Government stopped spending money in army. Instead of spending money in army, they started spending this for their health of their country people, for their education and for their basic needs of the people. So they did a lot of improvement in drinking water, in sanitation, nutrition and housing health education. And there's the reason that area is much more developed in South America. So this was the example of health. Thank you.